What's going on, guys? Welcome back to SRC Outdoors. Today it is opening day of trout season, and I am gonna avoid that at all costs. I'm going bass fishing. I cannot stand the first day of trout season. Elbow to elbow, people crossing your line all the time. You catch a fish, everybody comes running over. It's just not fun for me. Um, so I'm gonna go bass fishing today. It's about 50 degrees, cloudy, a little bit windy. Seems like some good chatterbait, spinnerbait conditions. We're going to an old quarry. I'll explain a little bit more when we get there. But just got everything set up. It's about 1 in the afternoon. Gonna try for some mid-afternoon bass bites here. Stay tuned. Alright, folks. Well, we made it out here to the lake. It's actually an old quarry. It's an old iron ore mine. Really interesting. It was mined until about the 60s or 70s. Eventually, the township made it into a park. Loaded with bass, but not many big ones. Biggest I've ever caught was 3. I've seen 4s and 5s, but not many. Typically, you're catching 1 to 2s in here. But it's close to home. Had some time to kill. Figured I'd get out here, try to see if we can get some. There we go. There we go, boys. First fish of the day. Just a little guy. Came right off, right out there, right in the shallows there. Just on a little Keitech. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that, it's a crappie. Pretty good one too. Look at that, it's a fat old crappie. And the hook falls out. Alright guys, look at that. Big old crappie. Nailed that Keitech. Knew there were some good ones in here. Put them back. Alright guys, I'm back home. Did okay today, I guess. 1 little bass, decent sized crappie. Only fished for about 2 hours. Had a little bit of spare time today. Tomorrow though, it is going to be 60 and sunny. I've got all day. I'm going to go out. Not sure where I'm going or what I'm doing, but stay tuned because I'm going to be fishing all day. Hopefully have a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time on SRC